was for a Gifty news. Bema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot Yakwa Eramede Bremo. Na ansana and something in Abebano, se winya subscribe ya. Bomodia se ube subscribe to channel. Na wa like video no, give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ba wo fufro so da when you be here na and somewhere koso ewo Ghana be mo adam. Afi ye share eye and somewhere abeto ye pono so. Yinti eye sankomo ya aba abeto ya yinti eye sasebi mainti.
Na dwene ho se okọ nkoto adwani ma no wakai Ghana ne sufre osre nyan krompon nefa Ghana hye ne nsa eno na kire se wo your mind bapa eno na kire se odwen Ghana ho miguso ka kire wo se wo kan wo Bible wie kan wo Quran wie efre na nanom bosoma. The next thing I was so ye a constitution Ghana mra kunini kakrakano na eno betimi aboa bebre na wahu de betimi ama Ghana akonanim kai say yegusunso ka kire wo se proprietors no mokwa mo no mo nkasa se adekire ne ekwan mo fa so no ommani nje ho mo nkasa nkire wo mo na man kira de ye no mugigi sa school fees na ebe ha adwen pa Insha 104.5 abusia munti ene jumedia ye bedie pa eye corruption we are the other ones so ye beka ho asem corruption if you say what to say NDC aban enra o mama yehu enkrofo a yesusu se o madiska e wo man yi mu ebi eye Gifty Oware ene honorable Ose Sibe entry no ye former KM boss okoye National Service Authority boss. You say o kan sika yesusu se omedi a yehu enko ana first crowd ye name say ebe 600 million Ghana cedis so if she Gifty Oware ne nim say oh sika no crowd na bia ye be 23 b 30 something b but enra ne keka bom ne hu se sika no e be 2.2 billion Ghana cedis munti Inti National Service de kura nyambai ye wo Ghana buffer stock no so obeka ye edrumre bi na senior high school for no kura esu se aduane no emma omunya sika na ye de ato aduane ama school for ye senior high school for no inti buffer stock for na abaye o madwen se first no nanka ye de sikane bema proprietor ye can say headmasters na headmasters mo senior high school muni matron for na kwakoto ediane no eno mu hu say headmasters ni matron no wo mu disika no ebi kra nyoma nkoye enti ene aban na beto na wa distribute na ye fair enti aban the buffer stock ne buy papa ye de share ne nsa no ono nso yekeka bomu no yesi yesusu se wadiska sika na wadie no nso ewo mpambacho project other ones no aha mbacho ba Facebook ayede ato one ne yire former buffer stock see your friend Hanan Abdul Wahab into video idea to see no one Mecca yesi between 2017 to 2024 sikanko ononkwa transfer ye from bank accounts to buffer stock to private companies aye ono ne yire dia mpacho bra Facebook ne behwebi msro madaruma ena me see ka corruption ho asem enti yentie na so pem every say eba corruption we are funny people but me person me ma facts no claim ni wie ansa na dem person me kan maka papa ni one ne yire ene da so no a CEO of buffer stock former Into was so on Attorney General so hwe na ono nko ane ne yire sika woma transfer akoma nkasa private company mu 78.3 million Ghana cedis. Ye ka 78 million Ghana cedis I want to say ma memfamra Ghana sikem tetede no 780 billion Ghana cedis 780 billion and 300 million 300 million esa toso into 780 billion mako 780 300 million saka ho ena kwabrane enko a yesi wa transfer every ono na accounts mu e de akọ ono ne yire accounts mu abusia tie ni ye uye teacher ni uye soldier ni uye fitter ni uye driver ni uye obi a uye aban adwuma tie sika Kwabrane, yes, what transfer free in accounts mu from Nana Akufo Addo 2017 to Nana Akufo Addo 2024. No, ye hesi kankwa what transfer. Nankofo su school feeding. Enkofo su yentio muka. Enkofo su yenye aduane wo senior high school. Enkofo su etone bia aduane basa bia ne eno ano a eno kra eba abonten no. Na papai oye kremoni tie oye kremoni. Okom meka one ne yire kom meka ekosre nyankopon ho animunyam ene adom oye gidini ofren kremo yesen hwehwemu kire se tio allegation enyanko court allegation but ye yahwehwem no e kire se 2017 to 2024 billion Ghana 1 billion mako 780 300 million esoso ena kwabrane ye de man company aya ode nu adua news ode ye den
Shiraya fan
father ones ne to so quickly father ones ne to so Auditor General Mr. Auditor General Can Curtis in 1957 news. I said the total amount of money stolen or illegally spent by National Service Authority boss. Eye Osea Sibe Enchi. Oye KMA, former KMA boss. Any gift to Oware. Minia ketwa no. Young girl, I know what Independence Hall, minim no, onim se minim no. Na owo KNUST, na owo Independence Hall. Na ne ho kete baby obehu mi bia obe batare me. Na onisika. I know gift to Oware, no onisika. Onfre abusue ma na omuwo sika. I know her. Gifting so as me fani semi ni aketwa that time no work university no work indies no ye mubi na onfaye nsi form very innocent at that time na sika onunko e di ukinkan boma millions bebre onunko over 200 and something billion ni ekeka wo mu mienu die bom no ni enim se sika ne ye 548 million Ghana cedis. Say ye ko hwehwe mu no. A free 548 million Ghana cedis no echo 2.2 billion. Unim 2.2 billion. 2.2 billion no 22 trillion. 22 trillion. Trillion enye billion no. Trillion mako 22. Ena National Sports Authority, you can say National Service Authority. Any gift to Oware, you can bomb and say, "Ka yenhu yentimi nkaso ma ye bibi enyanko court." Ba yenhu enkwa afa baabi a yesusu sa afa baabi no. Eye trillion nya billion no. Trillion mako 20. Me say gift to Oware minim no na oni sika saa. Honorable Osea Sibe Enchi Oni sikasa brana no wabono enti mi mani saa sika ne saa honorable sa woni honorable o say si be momfa ne picture nto so mame momfa ne picture nto so mame momfa ne picture nto so mame na obi amehwe honorable o say si be entry momfa ne picture meto so mame. I know his son ninia ne ba eko prempe college mi church nyoma bi mu ne ba ko prempe college mi junior no ne ba ko prempe college mi junior no ebrana wa bono ontimi nya saa sika na yese ayira no oni ne da hono. He was the former KMA boss and he didn't call National Service Authority. Sikankua ayira under his watch as the boss ye kikaboma trillion mako 22. Sa sika na ye boss no unhu bi da sa wo ye kroji adwuma udi nyame na ye adwuma sa sika no unya bi da unhu bi da no awu sa wo ye aban adwuma edin pan se obekọ retirement no na wo 50,000 ewo account mu. I'm telling you me say sa wo ye Ghana aban adwuma krojen a ebeye den pan se awu aban adwuma yetwi aka 3,000 yetwi aka 2,000 yetwi aka 4,000 yetwi aka 5,000 ebeye den pa se sa ketua no obekọ no na wo be 50,000 and 100,000 ako. Even your senate benefits o senate kra de be ma no one share ya endru 50,000 500 million 100 million mako 5 asem na make you 100 million mako 5 asem na make sa papa we oni Gifty Oware sikankoa ye keka bom no ye se oma 5 die a ye hu eye 2.2 billion 22 trillion mako 22. Uye soja ni etie me, uye police ni etie me, uye teacher ni etie, uye full soldier, uye MPP full soldier tie me, uye NDC full soldier tie me. Mesi omo mienu nyina minimum omo. Gifty Oware de mini aketwa minim no onisika. Yemu bi den time no ye campaigning as yemu bi na na support no yenim no we prempek ye kan say KNUST. Jesus Christ. And to there some penny for me and Ukraine makomosem the other ones Ukrainian my Sputnik V ne vaccine ne de na sefo ne nyoma bi akokoso na ne kra na afi na eguso ba me kan nyoma we mienu pe mpanifo we mienu sika ye keka bom ba ko ye 2.2 billion ye keka ba ko bom no nso no nko ade ye 76 million tikane ye keka no obi afadio enti aban we bae no waye nhihye ye say enche ye be ko hwan me bom nsempa ba we na mpesa meka on my way mu when it comes to corruption cases we are funny people because at the end no cry court no hwe de tie ne say aban we ye serious pa na person of solve corruption a time me megia di say ye rajo mahama ye serious so all solve corruption ne say sa special court na ode ba no amfa timeline ento so mayen ye rajo mahama ade we ya waye se mewu so ye serious pa say indeed obi ediska na person oje mayen ana person chini tuma sa special court na person wote no cases bia no for timeline ne to so timeline ne say case bia ye behu bia no ye bedi ni 6 months and ye bedi ni 3 months and 1 year because I'm telling you say sa ye court system we pa ye way sa ye judges here ye way and ye court system where ye way So we say the corruption cases say ya, Madam Futumuda, I am telling you today, I am so mad. Me bua fu me hona, me tia make say Yera John Mahama is serious say, or person solve corrupt related cases me so on for timeline to so. No can say special court now what's no. 6 months now they yeti kromo hana politics and comfort de you can say elections call election petition ye di 3 months meboa ye need 3 months within 3 months near we until ye betimi ayame aka say corrupt cases like this there ye found normal court na court judge ajani na lawyers aduomu brofo because I'm telling you say ye am for timeline and to so say corrupt cases be an ye 6 months near di ye wie na asem way extra 1 year 2 years the John Mahama ye ne say o pese fu soldiers ne Ghana for energy say oye bibi let me tell you say cases way give to Oware mu national it did 1 year masa tumuda chinsi. I'm telling you, I am talking from experience. Me say ye we disika ya bachina tum ya baby say me say Yera John Mahama serious Oma Attorney General and Chief Justice emfa timeline say cases way 6 months near dino obi amfa ne nkra tamra me say sa case wo be so dino 1 month kra betimi adi cases way say a serious now person within 1 month 1 month to crab it me the cases no so Attorney General so when evidence so we discuss into every day yet na say for evidence bra for give to Oware for evidence bra enya no kre na yenya ne sa and let's check if this thing will not be solved. Other than that, it will be a useless exercise. And ebeye dede hunu ni ebeye wo krom ha na yakose John Mahama baye kofo diska hwi ensi ma men control me do go back me de won come back am wa hu say e ka corruption Yera John Mahama what John Mahama is only doing in say I say na no me wie bi ba se say masachra enti ye nyina ye ni. Let me tell you me say the Yera John Mahama ye no e ye te say na no me wie bi na no na me so me ye kronfo na no mama makwanya no me be wie bi me ne me nkrofo be wie bi ba manti mi anya hwe ba se say masachra. It wasn't that John Mahama time no na corrupt cases ni ho. Ghanaian perceived John Mahama's government as corrupt. Emma MPP for so can say omo be chi nkrofo tum ye hu dede ye to ho nyom bibia nsi ma me fan go back to the Gen Z for mo nhyɛ dante ase onim de ntia ya tuti a JJ Rollins ni Atamils corruption. Samra no na Ghana for eto nyoma akofo Ghanaians are suffering from massive corruption. Why should we sit in our own mother everywhere you go? We are crying, we are suffering. Sanywe, we didn't tell Jay Akufo by Jay Akufo the corruption. And a man Ghana for who said JJ and this for Yeska, JJ your cromfo, ya bet you matum fast track high court, and a Kufo by Kufo by year 2007, 2008. Corruption. MPP for now omo de corruption ye tuma omo no omo su ko na corruption eno na se edun ketia koka say akromfo dunso ekoyi akromfo panyi okay so we Gen Z ni na wonte corruption ase a it that is what I'm saying. When it comes to corruption we are funny people ye ho osere me say ase edun ketia at that time 2008 koka say 2007 koka say MPP for delegates no moko samena no na ye Alan Munim for bear 17 obi aso pe president edi ase din ketia say akonfo dunso ekoyi akonfo tetu ama panyi enti adata che say na Akufo Addo yi no ne kronfo ana na Akufo Addo lucy 2016 John Mahama ye kronfo we wiade we inflate prices Chaku Dubai interchange then bus branding Jida Sada ye nti krom ha ma me fan go back kra ne nkotwe wo yomi wuni wo yomi hwe krom anyoma sisi wo krom ha enti ye kasa obi awiade a we are funny. Do you know why? Because I'm penny for we so munya good lawyers ne ba twa asem no mutentan ye kasa obi arebefi Me say empanyifo yesusu o medi sika yi omo benya good lawyers na lawyers na gye omo sika yie no makotwimu tentan my lord my lord my lord my lord na 1 year yenya ndi asem ni wie ye wo krom ha obi ku obi yesusu si wa ku obi so ne ku JB MP be 8 years ni yentimi nsolve ye yetetea ene ye to nwom wo yomi ye kaso wa disika 51 point something million Ghana cedis krom ani ani ha NDC abreso yewra John Atamios abreso enkofo bi kosan ma obi e friend wo yomi o disika Ghana 51 be pem net sa sika no yentimi nje ye yewra John Mahamadu Bawumia wentimi anje yewra na Akufo Addo baye omude ye campaign ti NDC and so stay wo mentimi anje and what are we talking about? We are funny people. Now let me go back to history again. Fatu to Omaye quickly. Fatu. Listen to the reason why JJ Ekasi Owusu. Bra Facebook never share. JJ Rawlings. Me catch you say. Ye ran John Mahama o ye presidency. Na no de oya kire ne say. Na no me ne me nkrofo wie bi. Na no me ne me nkrofo wie Ghana. But say masachra. Eno nkire say ne hote. The only thing I want to say massacre to me man for. But when we come to corruption, the history will tell you say John Mahama Breso part 1, he was corrupt. Then for corrupt. John Mahama part 1, then for na corruption kahun. And to end this in no any brain MP before you are funny because say issue when you know me say Gyamfi timeline and to swa ye be ya kokwasa 2 years. Na ya police ke BBNC no fa JJ de ne to so ansa fa JJ de ne to so ansa good enti be ha de mame December 31 2016 JJ Rawlings the obekai or say NDC lost the election because of corrupt government officials. JJ Rawlings na kai nyam na me kai 2016 31st of December Papa J when you be because say NDC lose about 2016 no na ye wia John Mahama ene ne nkrofo be wia o man Ghana ka ho enti na Ghana for tutia no and I'll back it with evidence according to CDD reports ye nia bro ye nyam kra wo krom ha it is a me who politician bi no bafo from no person kire say me say agro na mutuodi corruption fato so quickly ye fast ye nko no for other ones and some about CDD report no Bra Facebook ahahwe edrume bi kra no the January ho baby NDC group tells Akufo Addo jail corrupt Mahama appointees me tell you history am who say and NDC for amani abre ne hwan mon crofo so no me akromfo mon crofo so mu hia neoma Ghana for to NDC because of corruption enti mamu behave to say osoro abofo bi na aba. If indeed we want to solve corrupt related issues, we need to be honest to understand say because I'm telling you, me say so many good lawyers are he ain't see Chromadian opuni case yensi anya police case opuni case 8 years no menti me anya hwe and a year police case again obetimi anya dey with China. Fatuso next one quickly Fatuso yen ko de kakanga kra bra Facebook so be a we are there na hwan na de ni aka me say krom ha tumuda court e bi an court da wa court na lawyers this semantics ne hwan air dragging unnecessary issues no give me all the headlines give me okay for way to so mami right arrogance report kwesiboche reports enyam na me kan you kwesiboche reports NDC for ne we no omutna say epe yewura kwesiboche so awu wenyan baby komboa owu ye no before sunobu omuka say ankoye report say ene MPP for ma wi a omama honorable say chairman say koye report ne Michael Kwe report no NDC for we every ye no woman so koye report she one of the key findings of the report ni or say arrogance corruption caused NDC's defeat report arrogance na ma MPP for elusu ye no sa arrogance ne ka ho bi ena ahantan je e ka ho ena awi kronosem e ka ho ne ma NDC for lose 2016. May can we add someone who the history of Ghana say we are funny people. The only difference is that NDC for oppositioner no mass at margin. Omoba ense hunu na no mbedie na MPP for nso asachiro madwen na omo kasa te se Ghana for omo chance ense hunu ne sa no mbedie. The reason why Ghana for to tier MPP 2024 no, some of the reasons ni near to tier MPP NDC in 2016, arrogance, corruption. Next one quickly. Next one. We are talking about corruption. We are not serious people. Ghana, if we be corruption perception index, esusu oman bia ni ahwe say what score say according to say we go school. Na school ya catch you say uche 50 ebia above, uche 40 say. Na Akufo Addo be free so na Akufo Addo corruption ni obe free so na Ghana ye ranking ye 42. Unim 42 meba be kire ase ye ka 42 a e kire say eye omanya still amoye corrupt. John Mahama went me into 50. John Mahama be free so no na Ghana ye de 43. Ranking in bra Facebook na be hwe. Rera John Mahama at that time corruption. The highest one or ya de kakra was 48. Medical cancer say corruption no se wenya above 50 and 50 and above. The obeye bia no we are corrupt. Muntie me say corruption perception index mark no ye mark na ye kase why ya de chese country no wenya above 50. Me say John Mahama 23 24 2015 2016 ni nyina onya below 50 or ye corrupt na ban ye bana na Akufo Addo de no nso a 2017 2018 2019 2020 saa to 2024 ono nso kra de na enye kra Akufo Addo kra de no ye corrupt kra che na Akufo Addo no na ban ye corrupt chain because marks no kra no na 42 we kra nya 43 but omunyina hwe omunyina ntimi anso corrupt cases omunyina hwe as we speak say Ghana ye corruption perception still obi andu 50. And he say John Mahama be na o mark na sala wondu 50 corruption cases no emfa. Next one I say one of the reasons are John Mahama 2016 omulusu look at some of the cases MP before you sue against them. Or say the high negative ratings of corruption in the Mahama administration may not have come as a surprise, considering the several cases and allegations of corruption brought against the government appointees, the president and his cronies. For instance, Martin Amidu has revived the corruption charges against Alfred Agbosi-Woyomi, a known financier of the NDC, after the AG had shown no interest in continuing with the case at the Supreme Court. This issue has attracted much interest in the media, with equally greater public discussion. Now, Woyomi case is no again high-level government officials were implicated in several charges at the National Service Secretariat. Mese Ghana ye nyino. Yera John Mahama time National Service for nkrofo bi so wiye sika. E wiye sika won National Service ene obi so wiye sika no. Omo so wiye bi. Savannah Sada Jida Transport Ministry 3.6 Smarty Bus branding, Sokai Bus branding. Among other ways, yes, for this petition, Burkina contractor commissioner and Jama Basaba when in account Ghana for Tutiano MPP for the year campaign Omuso Bayeno Monyo and then your money say what are we talking about? So for me, if you look at all those things, I say MPP's key anti-corruption campaign message was predicated on a highly perceived corruption in the Mahama administration. Again, taking advantage of the general mistrust in the ability of the President Mahama to fight corruption, Akufo Addo proposed a difficult but more credible alternative to arresting political corruption through the establishment of the OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Or say, MP before Owusu said John Mahama ya corrupt, then crop for ya cromfo, omu yuadie, and into a bar, essence said John Mahama intimian fight corruption, or no bar, or the Special Prosecutor beba, not just say, the ABCSC, any. And they ka corruption ka na Akufo Addo di OSP bai anke ye better say National Service Authority o ma wie sika buffer stock o ma wie sika. What are we talking about? Let's be serious. Me say se president Yera John Mahama pese corruption case no solve wa sa special court no on for timeline non ka se ebia ye the 6 months na edie na wan for timeline na ekoye agen na 1 year ni 2 years we are wasting and we are being useless with all these kind of corruption fights.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Isra 104.5
Yuji we na
Nana no buffer stock yes say abranti be friend Wahab Nana 50.8 million cedis Nana yera Nana na ukasa president Mahama special court no Nana say banana kai ko for fast track high court Nana set no ani afi
okay
so come malamisa
okay
$46,000 hu Nana ya no concern
okay
Nana intimi support say you establish a fast track court akoko ebe exercise.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.